Hello awesome folks, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a form with radio buttons, whereby you can only choose between the two. You can only, between the given option, you can only choose one. You can't choose both. Like in this case, you can only choose your gender is either male or female, but you can't choose both male and female. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing in this tutorial, and let's get started. So let's come right away here. Can just close that one. Let's just come right over here and create a file. Let's call it new one dot html. Yeah, and there you go. We have our new file. So first things first, here the first thing, like I always say, just come and press shift, then exclamation mark, then you press enter, so that you can have the skeleton of your code, where you'll be writing in the body, yeah, and filling your code inside now this skeleton. So the title part, you can just leave it default as document, or you can just add your own title. So basically, let's jump straight to today's task. Yeah, so today's task, let's start with the paragraph. You use this tag when clearing a paragraph. So that is the opening tag, the closing tag. So we can write something like, what's your gender, so that you can choose between male or female, but you can't choose both male and female, unlike the checkbox, whereby you can click as many options as you want. In radio button, you only press one, you only choose one. So as a paragraph, but inside the paragraph you can use and can add some few attributes, like the color. You can set the color of the paragraph to be background color. You can set, this is a CSS styling, a bit of CSS styling. So style, then can do some color stuff. And I love blue is my favorite color, so I'll make it blue. Yeah, so running it here, you can see that your text is, or your paragraph is blue. Yeah, so after this one, now you can create a form, whereby now you have the options to be chosen. Yeah, so form can include a form tag. Yeah, so inside the form tag, you can now input the type. Yeah, the input type in our case is a radio, so input type, then radio, then ID, you can just say male. Yeah, then we can put the name of the, so the name, you can just say gender. Now this refers to what you had written earlier above. Then have the value of the ready button. So the value which will be displayed at the output will be male. Yeah, so the radio button has been displayed here. Yeah, you can just use caps. Yeah, male, and there you have it. The radio button has already been displayed. Then we can have the label now for the radio button. As you can see, it doesn't have anything right after it. Yeah, so let's input the label for it. Yeah, so the label will be for male. Yeah, so yeah, the value that we had assigned, so male. Yeah, so here we can include this tag so that we have a line space, line break. Yeah, this is a tag for a line break. It doesn't have a closing tag. So now, so that you can input the other radio button right below. So let's input input type radio. Yeah, so the ID will be female. Yeah, then the name will be the gender. Yeah, so the gender, that is what we want to choose between. Which gender are you? Are you a male or a female? Yeah, then have the value of the checkbox, which will be female. Yeah, female. And there you have your second checkbox. Yeah, there you have your second checkbox over there. So let's now label our checkbox. This is why I have to put the label tag. Label for now the female ID had written earlier on. Then what will be displayed will be female. So, and there you have it, guys. You have both of your checkbox over here. You can see you can't fill both of them. Yeah, you can only choose one between the two. So I hope the tutorial was helpful. So remember to like, subscribe, and share to your friends, and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you may be updated. Yeah, so that's it. And also you can write some comment on what you want me to do next. Yeah, and I really appreciate. So bye, see you in my next tutorial.